Okay, happy Friday, everybody. Here's the directions for today. It's going to be a nice, easy Friday for you guys. We're going to be learning some new stuff, but it's going to be more relaxed, not really a lot of pressure. So let's take a look at it. We're just going to look at the Section 2 reading guide or the Chapter 2 reading guide, but it's going to be the Section 2 reading guide in the book. And we're kind of switching gears now from more nomadic, like Ice Age, Stone Age, all that kind of stuff. We're going to start moving forward now to inching our way towards the first civilization. And so this is a good reading that kind of goes through maybe we'll say the basics of what you need to be able to stay still. No more chasing our food. Instead, if we can learn how to domesticate animals, if we can farm, then we don't have to leave. We can just stay in one spot and live there. And that's the beginning of cities. That's the beginning of towns, which then leads to empires and dynasties. It's just one big domino effect. So take a look at it. Go through it here. And for this part, we're just going to do the same thing we did on the Section 1 reading guide, where just do the terms and names, skip number 2, do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So basically, we're skipping number 2, we're skipping number 9, and we're skipping this thing. Okay, but do everything else. Organize it the same way you guys did for Section 1. You guys did a great job. I knew exactly what questions you were answering. So good job on that, guys. That's our Friday. It's pretty simple. We're going to be utilizing more of this stuff on Monday. On Monday, we're actually going to start our, let me take a look here. Yep, Monday and Tuesday, we'll be kind of starting our Mesopotamia unit. So, almost getting into it, almost getting into our first civilization. So, good luck today, guys. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. If you got questions, email me. Bye-bye.